Welcome to Digital Toolbox. Today we'll go over how to declare variables, how to do some basic math, and then print our answers into a panel. To get started, I already have a Visual Basic button with 3 variables: height, tread, and rise, and they're all type hint at double. Also have 3 sliders: a height, tread, and rise at 10, 12, and 6 respectively. We're going to double click on the VB and then delete your code here, and I'm going to write a comment. And to do that, just type in an apostrophe, and then I'm going to type in declare a new variable for number of steps. Since this definition will eventually evolve into a staircase, I want to know what I'm doing in case I have to look back into my code. So to declare a new variable inside the script, I'm going to type in dim, and then the name of our new variable, I'm just going to say num, N-U-M, as double, which means it's going to be a double. And the Visual Basic script will automatically correct capitalization for you. Next thing we want to do is figure out the height of our staircase, and then divide it by the rise in inches to figure out the number of steps. All your answers will always be on the left side. So num equals open parentheses height times the 12, which is inches, to figure out the height in inches, and then we're going to divide it by the rise. And these inputs are from the sliders. And then we're going to hit enter. So the next thing we want to do is to floor down our answers, such as if you have a height of 15 and then a rise of 7, we're going to get a decimal number, maybe something like 27.6. You're not going to have a 0.6 of a step, so we're going to round that down to 27 steps. Also, if you have 27.9, it'll go down to 27, 27.2, it'll go down to 27. And we're going to also do that within printing out our answers into a panel. So to do that, we're going to type in print, open parentheses, and then open quotation. Anything in the quotation will be printed out as a string. So number of steps, colon, and quotations. So now anything after will be written in an expression. So to activate the expression, you need to type in ampersand, and then now we can do what we need to do. So to floor things, we don't know, if you're not sure of how to get certain mathematical equations such as absolute value, arc cosine, things like that, just type in math period, and it'll give you a list of what you need, such as there's absolute value at the beginning of the list, arc cosine, and here's our floor. The opposite of floor is ceiling up here, and we just need floor, so we're going to hit floor and then open parentheses, and we want to floor our num. So then we're going to close parentheses for the floor and then close parentheses for the print, and then we're going to click OK. And now if you hover over out, it says number of steps 20, and I'm going to put this into a panel. So I'm going to link this to our receiver that's connected to the panel, and now you can see that it says number of steps 20. And if I raise this up, so 15 at the tread of 12, rise of 6 is going to be 30 steps, and it'll always stay at a integer. So that's how you declare new variables within the script, do some basic math, and how to print our answers into a panel in Visual Basic. Thanks for watching.